And so today's video is all about, actually I'm at the beautiful Blackstone Edge. Yeah, today's video is about the climb that broke me. And I guess it's more of a general thing than maybe like the climb that broke you, because on Ride London, I was joking obviously about Leith Hill and Box Hill like not being hills, and someone made the comment, and it wasn't negative, it was meant to be in a nice way, saying, oh, but you know, can you remember when those climbs would have really broken you? And it made me think, like, yes, because on the day there were so many people that were kind of beginner riders, and I remember one woman, and she was having a rest at the side of the road. I mean, she was a bigger lady, and I just thought, do you know what? Good on you for giving this a crack, because I remember how hard it was when I was heavier to get up hills, and so I just feel like I should talk about it and I should address it and yeah, just chat about it, because there has been, I'm trying to think how many climbs like really have really broken. There's been loads, to be fair, but I just thought I'd talk to you about a few of them to kind of give you a little bit of encouragement if you are struggling and you've been broken on hills, because the hills that break you are the hills that make you stronger. And for me, those hills, the first one was Norton Summit. That was the first hill climb that I say climb, it is a climb, it's like 5k I think. The climb that I ever rode took me an hour and a half maybe to get up there, but I did it, and it was hard. I really struggled up it, and that was back in 2014 when I was a lot heavier, but that gave me the encouragement to go and do another hill and like another climbs. The climb after that was Doise Tep, which was 12k, and that was a monster to me. That was only a few months after, and God, I was sore, I was sweating, I thought I was going to throw up. Like, that was a really hard climb. I'm trying to think of some others that really, really did break me. Tady, which is, oh, there's footage of that. I will put a link to the video because that is a funny video. I think it's just because I was actually ill. I think it just, electrolyte stuff just imbalanced, and I actually threw up.
What?
Jay, I can't.
Right, well, you'll have to sit here and I'll cycle back in the car, back bit.
Oh fuck. I can't. This is the worst I've ever felt. And I had to go and poo in the, sorry, this is really gross, but I had to go and have a poop in the forest because I just felt that bad, and then I had to ride home. So that was more, I think that was more the heat, but it broke me, it absolutely broke me. But each of those climbs, I've gone back and back and back again and tried again and gone again and just continued to practice riding those climbs until I became kind of good at them. And yeah, I guess the video is just about aiming for those climbs that break you, because if you just do the ones that are easy and that come like easily to you, like, what are you ever going to improve? And I guess also one thing that I should mention is the climbs that make you struggle or that break you, they are the ones that you learn from the most. And so you learn, oh, actually maybe I need to bring more food. So like Tady, oh, actually I need to have electrolytes. Norton Summit was, oh, actually I can do it, but because I did it in the middle of the day in the heat, it was almost like, oh, okay, if I'm going to do that again, maybe I should go when it's a little bit cooler. Doise Tep, maybe I should make sure that I'm acclimatised to the heat and I've got enough water and I've got enough fuel, because on the time that I did it, I literally had like 4 dates, and it was ridiculous because it was 12k, and at the time I needed a lot more fuel to get me up the hill. So even today, right, I've done Blackstone Edge. I was meant to be doing 3 intervals, and it's broken me today. So I was meant to do 3 12 minutes between 270 300 watts, and the last one that I did last week was 3 11 minutes, so it's just an extra minute added on each week. Today I just couldn't do it, and what he's taught me today is I have been not having great sleep, just because I've had so much on, and I just feel a little bit frazzled, and I've just not slept. And then someone, I won't mention who, rang me at 7:30 this morning, woke me up, because I get up really early for my charity job, and then today I was like, right, I'm going to have a bit of a lie in. Someone woke me at 7:30, the phone ringing, And then some builders have come to do some stuff on the roof. So I went back to sleep at 7:30. Someone rang me at 8, rang the buzzer. Oh, I've come to fix the roof. I'm like, oh, I just wanted like a bit of a lie in. So I didn't get that. And I think I don't know, just not feeling great. So today it's taught me I need to prioritise my sleep and just not get so stressed about stuff. Not that I'm stressed, but I guess I do feel a little bit stressed at the minute. Just because this is going off on a bit of a tangent. It's a bit stressy because I've got so much exciting stuff going on. I'm trying to cram it all in and do everything that I possibly can because I want to do it, and I'm up late because I'm working on projects and I'm working on things that I want to do, and it's hard to try and fit everything in. I guess it's always a juggling act, isn't it? But going back to the climbs that break you. So I want you to tell me, and to tell the other people that are watching this video, tell me about a time that a climb broke you and what you did about it and how you succeeded in doing it, because I feel like that's what I love. I like the stories of people just being good at something straight away are boring. I'm not interested in that. Like, if you're good at something straight away, good for you. I'm interested in people that have overcome something, or like, I just think that's such a much more inspirational, motivational story. So I reckon that's it for this little chat video. It's so nice. I feel like I should do all my videos up here. It's bloody lovely, isn't it? But anyway. Also, if you are interested in, and if you're new to riding, you're new to climbing, and you feel like a lot of stuff is breaking you at the minute, then I do have a cycling ebook, which is called Cycling Made Simple. The link to it is below. It is £10, and it is literally everything that I learned from me starting to ride a bike when I literally could barely ride 20k, to now doing like 600k rides. I say that I've only done one. But just doing longer distance stuff, racing a little bit. So I feel like I've learned a lot. Well, I have learned a lot over like the last 5 years. So that's got all my best tips, tricks, advice, training plans, stuff like that in there. So if you're interested in that, that is in the link below. And I reckon that's it for this video. So I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hope you can hear me. Actually, some mountain bikers are just coming past. God, this is awkward. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm alright. You?
Are you waiting for somebody to come past?
No, I'm just filming.
Oh, what are you filming?
Me.
Oh, you're filming yourself, sorry. You got it first in your vein, bugger.